Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I am into industry from last 27 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. So friends, in today's presentation, you will see Manadale by Mana project at Kodathi off Sarjapur Road, Bangalore East. So let's begin with the presentation. So friend, this is the elevation of the building, and this project is constructed in 6.95 acre land parcel with total 6 towers, and all the buildings are ground plus 28 story towers with 2-level basement parking and some buildings with 3-level basement parking. So right now developer has launched 2 tower, Pine Crest and Oak Grove. So Pine Crest has 4 flats on every floor with combination of 3 and 4 BHK, and Oak Grove also has 4 flats on every floor with combination of 3 and 4 BHK flats. All buildings are white color, so white color looks very elegant and rich. And project has 2 clubhouse which is 55,000 square feet, and both the clubhouse are ground plus 2-level clubhouse, and plus you get more than 45 plus amenities in this project. Every flat has a huge balcony plus French cut window, so you get a bright light, clear view and cross ventilation. 55,000 square feet is one of the largest clubhouse in this vicinity, and the technology used for this construction is by1 technology, which is latest technology. Secondly, all the apartments are tropical theme apartment. So tropical means this is nature friendly project. Around 300 trees are preserved in this project, and 6 trees are around 80 years old which is preserved in this project, like banyan tree, teak tree, tamarind tree and many more. Amenities are divided into different zones. So in amenities and features you are getting arrival lounge, surface car parking, bicycle parking, outdoor reading pod, community court, toddlers play area, kids play area and many more. Similarly, in lawn you are getting multi-purpose lawn, jungle gym play area, pathway, toddlers play area and many more. In pavilion you are getting community court with pavilion, mist garden, sunken interactive court, leisure pavilion, butterfly garden, outdoor gym, picnic garden and many more. So here friend, you will see few glimpses of the project, and this is the image of the clubhouse which is 55,000 square feet. And you see maximum open space has been provided in this project. Only 25% space is used in construction and 75% space is open for amenities. And this is the beautiful image of the clubhouse. So some amenities are inside the clubhouse and some amenities are open to sky, and there's a large size swimming pool. So in clubhouse amenities you are getting reception lobby, co-working space, conference room, supermarket space, dining area, muffins, dessert, creche and many more. And in other amenities you are having restaurant and dining area, multi-purpose hall, suite rooms, swimming pool, toddlers pool and changing room. So friend, this is the location map, and project is located here next to Chikkanakana Road off Sarjapur Road. This is Sarjapur Road over here. Project is exactly in center of Whitefield, Electronic City and Sarjapur over here, and all the schools are very close by from this project. And this is Ring Road which is under construction, which will be covering whole of Bangalore. So Ring Road is also closer from this project, and other areas like Vartur, Marathali, Old Airport Road, Kudubisana, Belandur, Onga Sandra, lots of IT hubs and international school. These are all close by to this project. So in major school which are close by to this project is Primus Public School, Prakriya School, Nirmala Vidyalaya and Indian International School. In malls, Market Square Mall, Central Mall, Gopalan Innovation Mall and the Forum Mall. In work hubs or IT hubs, there is Wipro Campus, RMZ EcoSpace, Embassy Tech Park and RGA Tech Park. In hospitals you have Punarjain Ayurvedic, Manipal Hospital, Motherhood Hospital and Apollo Hospital. So friend, this is the master plan of the project, and this whole plot area is 6.95 acre, and here you will see there are 2 towers. This is North 1 and North 2 tower. So one is Pine Crest and other one is Oak Grove. So these 2 towers are launched right now, And these are all forthcoming towers. South 1, 2, 3, 4 are all forthcoming towers. And all the amenities are given in center and surrounding the buildings. So you get plenty of open space in the project. Then here you are getting a teak wood doors and windows. All the fittings and fixtures will be of branded company. Height of the main door will be 8 feet, so it's a broad door. Windows with grills and mosquito mesh will be provided. Proper cross ventilated flat. Branded quality emulsion paint is provided on the walls. Laminated wood flooring in master bedrooms. Then in washroom, all the CP and sanitary fittings will be of branded company like Grohe, American Standard, Roca, Vitra or equivalent to that. In electrical, even modular switches will be of branded company like Schindler's, Livia, Anchor, Roma, Honeywell or equivalent to that. Grid power, DG power backup is provided for common areas and DG power backup for every units. So friends, finally we come to the unit plan, and in 3 BHK they have different variant. So 3 BHK starts from 1600 carpet and it goes up to 1822 carpet area. Price starts from 1.60 CR and it goes up to 1.82 CR excluding stamp duty and registration. So in this flat you are getting balcony with living space. Kitchen is having dry balcony and one of the bedroom has wooden texture tiles. So planning is too good for 3 BHK. And this is unit plan for 4 BHK, which is 2145 carpet area and price starts from 2.10 CR excluding stamp duty and registration charges. So in 4 BHK you have foyer entrance, so you get privacy in this flat, plus L-shaped living space. So you have a separate space for dining table and there is zero wastage, no wastage at all. Running balcony is there from living room to kitchen. Plus one more balcony is there with one of the bedroom. So very beautifully designed 4 BHK. And finally friends, possession for this building is in December 2027. For booking and more detail, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like and share to this channel because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye. Take care.